Hi friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to share the recipe of Iffa Chicken. Come, let's cook. First we are going to make a paste. For that we need garlic. I'm using 10 numbers of garlic, 1 small onion, 1 small piece of ginger, 2 chilies and some coriander leaves, and make a paste of it. Then we are going to marinate the chicken. For that, first add the paste we have made earlier. Add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Add half teaspoon of fennel powder. Add salt as per taste. 1 tablespoon of pepper powder. 1 tablespoon of chili powder. 2 tablespoons of curd. 1 teaspoon of chicken masala. 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Now mix it and marinate it for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Now we are going to fry the chicken. Add all the pieces one by one. Fry both the sides of the chicken. Okay, now we can make the cream which we are going to pour on the chicken. For that we need 2 tablespoons of milk, 4 garlic, 2 boiled egg, 2 tablespoons of fresh cream, half teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of oil. For this try to use flavorless oil, 4 slices of cheese, and make a paste of it. The chicken is fried. Now we can add the cream which we had made on top of the chicken and cook for about 5 minutes. Put some coriander leaves. The tasty Iffa chicken is ready.